Hey everybody, I just pulled another one from deep in the back of the safe. It's been like 7 years since I've had this one out. I just had to cut the tape up off of this. I haven't opened it yet. It's been in here since 2014. This is the Vepr 12 gauge Russian shotgun. This is one of the early imports. Still got the brown Russian paper. What makes this one of the early imports is this is an actual folder, so it does fold. I'll show you that in a little bit. I've got one factory 5-round Russian mag. I think I have one SGM 12-round mag. I did a video on this back in 2014 with Big Daddy Hoffman in 1911. I'll leave a link down to his video. And I can't remember, I don't know if this one ran perfect, but it ran pretty good. This was spot on. I ordered 3 8-round mags years ago from Russia. These are like $100 a piece. So I only brought one out to run. I've never ran them through the gun. But I left the 2 in the brown paper in my workshop. Let's see, what's in this? Some kind of pen, extra firing pen. Okay, that's cool. That was the string. This has the cheek riser. You see it's been stored. It's got that like rubber mess on it. The thing I like about this over the Sega is it has the flared mag well, so you can just enter the mags in really easily. It's got the push button mag release versus the AK style, and it also has a bolt hold open feature. Well, the Segas have a bolt hold open as well, but I think this may be the last round. Again, it's been a while since I've ran it. We'll see. I like the enhanced safety right here. And anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna run some rounds through all 3 mags, and I've got some light game loads, so that's the ultimate test for this. All right. Real quick before we shoot it, this is how the folder works. This little button here. It also has this adjustable cheek riser, which is cool, so you can change the position. So thought I'd show you that real quick before we shot it. So all right, and then I think, man, y'all get to see me mess around. It's been so long. Wow. All right, bear with me. Figure out how to refold it. Oh yeah, okay, so there's a button in here, and that releases it. So it locks up. This is the release to fold it. It locks on that tab. Button here. These folders are super rare, so it's pretty cool. That's why I was saying this was an early import. So all right, we'll load these mags up, give it a shot. I'll also show you that it's got a top pick rail. It's got a locked in dust cover, so you can put a red dot on there and be fairly dependable. So all right, shooting's coming up next. All right, we're going to try the 5-round Russian mag first. This is the one that comes with the gun. You get 1 mag. We'll go, hold on. Action sticky. Yeah, like I said, I haven't been lubed, so we'll see. It's a little sticky. It's good. Last round bolt hold open. All right, we'll shoot the 8-round Russian mag next. All right, this is an 8-round Russian mag. This has never been fired. It's been in the packaging, the brown packaging. Never shot it. Let's see how it runs. Should be good to go. Here we go. Perfect, all 8. All right, let's try that 12-round SGM. Hopefully we're lucky with that, so stay tuned. All right, we're gonna try this 12-round SGM Tactical Mag. One thing real quick, I love this over the Sega because it has the last round bolt hold open. The Sega doesn't. You can lock the bolt back. It has the flared mag well adapter. Easier to insert the mags. It has the enhanced safety. Has the thumb safety on the other side. Of course, we've got the folder. We've got the railed dust cover, which you can, fix the Sega up like that as well. But and it's running this low stuff with these. I just love the Vepr. I love the Sega as well. You can't beat a Russian gun, but this is my #1. And I'll keep bringing the Russian beauties out. So let's hope this runs. Here we go. 3, 2. The mag's sticky. It's not a failure to eject. It's just sticky. It's not stripping. That one was a failure to eject. Failure to eject. Like I told you when I was loading it, the mag felt real sticky. It was hard to get loaded. There we go. So of course, this wouldn't be my go-to-war mag or whatever you want to call it, but I've got 3 of the 8-rounders and the 5-rounder, so that'd be good for a little plinking. So subscribe, like. I've got the Sega video. Go look at my other videos. I'm going to do some other sexy Russian guns. But Vepr 12, 2 thumbs up always. Take it easy.